Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a listing from Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to switch to hosting mode, or you can just go to manage listing. After that, we need to go to menu, choose listings, and here we will find the list of our listing. You click on the listing that you want to delete, and here we will find the status of our listing, or you can just find it from here in the listing details, and then we will find the accessible the status here. So basically I'm just going to click on the status, and it will take me or redirect me directly to there, and then I will click on deactivate, and basically deactivating your listing will permanently remove your listing from Airbnb. That means deleting it. So basically after that you will click on it, and then you will click on save. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.